This is going to be another fire alarm demonstration, and we're going to do the remote strobes. And for remote strobes, we have, here's my Wheelock WMT-24-FR remote strobe with a, well, this has a double gang plate on the back of it with a 117 candela strobe. And over here we have my system sensor mass 12LO. Model number is SS12LO. Not with a non-ADA compliant strobe. This is a non-ADA strobe because the strobe is frosted. Well, this one has a clear view strobe. So we're going to do the demonstration. So let's see how this goes. This one's flashing a little bit faster than this one. Yeah, these are pretty cool remote strobes. They look pretty cool together. Let's get a certain distance away from the table. Yeah. I know cameras don't really pick up the strobes too well. Well, this one flashes really slow, and it is extremely bright. It's kind of hard to see. Right over here on the left, if you can tell that you can hear that high-pitched squeal, it's actually the strobe right here that has that loud capacitor, and it's almost loud enough for it to be on its own alarm, basically. It's quite annoying, you know. I wish strobes didn't have that high-pitched squealing that comes from the capacitor that's in the circuit board area of the strobe underneath the reflector. This strobe right here is 1.5 candela. That's why it's not so bright. This one is pretty bright, the clear view one, which is 117 candela. Odd number for candela. That's an odd number. Yeah, you can tell, you can hear the capacitor right there, but it is quite loud. And again, this WMT Wheelock strobe does flash pretty slow, but it's really, really bright. It's kind of hard to see on camera. It's kind of hard to see. And again, the strobe on the left is the most annoying one ever because of that high-pitched squeal that you hear. Yeah, it's quite loud. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it off right now. So, there you guys go. I did another demonstration test for you guys. And I hope you please rate and comment and subscribe for more videos. I'll be back with more videos here pretty soon. So, have a nice night, everybody, and thank you. So, If you want me to do more, guys, please subscribe and please leave comments below if you want to request something. Yeah, it's really nice that it did this demonstration between the Wheelock strobe and the system sensor strobe. The mass strobe, rather. That was the most annoying strobe ever. It is the most annoying one. So, thank you for watching and bye. See ya.